Gaza. Boy. Boy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My sister, Honorable Lydia. Tempani, are you there? Tempani, are you there? Are you ready for 7th December? Are you ready to cast your vote for NDC? Then let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. NPP have adopted a strategy because they know elections are coming. They've taken some of their candidates who are going to stand and they've given them positions in government so that they'll do what? They'll get resources and money to come and influence you to vote for them. That money they are bringing is your money. If they bring it, collect it and chop it. That money is your money. If they bring it, collect it and chop it. Because they can't buy you for 200 cedis and 500 cedis. You are more precious than 500 cedis. And if you take 200, 500 and you sit in hunger for another 4 years, what is the purpose? Look at our senior high school. Look at our senior high school. Our children sit under trees to eat. When it is raining, they have to run away and leave the food till after it finishes raining before they come and see if the food is still there and the rain has not spoiled the food, then they will eat. You see, let us be careful about something. One party comes and does the things that will benefit everybody. And so we develop your schools, we extend electricity so that everybody can get light, we provide you with drinking water, we build CHIPS compounds, we build schools under trees, we build Tempani irrigation dam, we build roads. And we do that so that everybody will benefit. Your children will come and benefit. Your children's children will come and benefit. But another party, they will come and take 1 or 2 of you and empower them. And when they empower them, they come and give you small handouts. The one who comes and develops so that you and your children and your children's children can enjoy. And the one who comes and takes 1 or 2 people and empowers them to come and distribute money for you. Who is doing better for you? And so, NDC, we are not about giving people money. There's a saying in English, it says, teach me how to fish. Don't give me fish. Because if you teach me how to fish, anytime I want fish, I'll go and catch it myself. But if every day you come and give me fish, the day you are not there and I want fish, how will I get it? And so, let us look for who will make our lives better. And everything we have in Tempani here, from light to water, CHIPS compound, health facilities, everything is under NDC. I haven't seen anything they have added since 2016 when NDC left. Our roads are still bad. It's only when it's getting to election they'll get a contractor to come and put in some gravel as if they are doing something. As soon as NDC wins, that's all, the contractor will disappear. And so let's not fall for their false promises. In 2016, They said, oh, they've got some economic wizard. Mahama is incompetent. NDC is incompetent. Vote against them. Vote for us to come. We've got some economic whiz kid. He's coming to fix the economy so that the cedi will go back to 1 cedi, $1. Today, the person doesn't even talk about economy again. Now he's Mr. Digitalization. He has run away from the economy. But you took the cedi at 4 cedis to $1. Today it's almost 16 cedis to $1. And you say we should clap for you. You took interest rate from about 13%. Today interest rate went to 54%. Now it's still about 20%. Every day the prices of goods are increasing. You took the national debt from 120 billion. Today the national debt is almost 750 billion cedis. And who is going to pay that debt? It's not Nana Akufo-Addo. It's not Baumia. Who is going to pay that debt? It's you, the young people, the youth. It's you, the youth. Because in the debt restructuring, they've restructured the debt to 2045, 2050. By then, will Akufo-Addo be alive? He'll be dead and gone. Maybe some of us too will be dead and gone. But you and your children will be the ones who will be held to pay that money. When NDC was in government in 2016, if you shared the national debt amongst all Ghanaians, all of us owed only 4,000 cedis. Today, if you share the debt to all of us, including a new baby, born baby, all of us owe 20,000 cedis. And so, there is hope. And we have a chance to achieve that hope. And that is why each of us has a thumb. And each of us will be required to use that thumb to effect the change that will make our lives better. And so let's make sure that we keep our voters' cards properly. The young boys, don't walk around with the voters' card in your pocket and you'll be showing it to everybody. Leave it in your house, put it in your box. On 7th December in the morning, you go and take that voter's card out because you have work to do. You all must vote in order that we're able to change this government. They have to go so that we can hold them accountable. They want the vice president to take over so that he'll come and cover up all the money that they have stolen. But it won't happen. NDC is coming. And those who have stolen your money, those who have abused their office, those who have misappropriated the resources of Ghanaians, I can assure you will hold them accountable for what they have done. But like I always say, while we hold them accountable, we will also hold our own people accountable. If anybody comes into my government and he wants to do the same thing MPP have done, we will sanction that person. We will deal with that person too. We are coming because Ghana is sitting on a Tinder Box. Ghana is sitting on a gunpowder keg. And what is that? It is that we have young people finishing school in their numbers. When NDC was in office before we left, unemployment was just above 8%. Today, unemployment has risen to almost 15%. And so there are young people amongst you here who finished school 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and are still sitting at home, living in your parents' houses. Your parents are feeding you because you cannot find employment. And so we need to change that narrative. And so the next coming of NDC is about jobs, jobs, and jobs. That's why NDC is coming with the 24-hour economic policy, so that we can help more businesses to work longer hours, and if they work longer hours, they have to employ more people, so that young people can get work to do. Aside from that, we need to create an atmosphere of safety and security for them to be able to do 24 hours.